I'll do it in the toilet. Let's go.
Zach, what do you have to do?
I have to drink all these drinks. And I got more for him.
Or what?
Or I'm gonna have to put my shirt as my pants and my pants as my shirt.
Like you made me do it last time.
Considering I'm wearing jeans, it's a hell of a lot harder.
Here's the toilet for you to throw up in, buddy.
Sit down. Alright, wait.
Okay, your other two drinks.
Where's that jug of water? Can I have that in between?
No.
Wait, dude. Emily, you're in the game, so I can say now. Get
Well,
the jug of water.
you can either wear the pants or the shirt, which is a lot better.
I've got video right here.
Okay, here it goes.
Record it. One.
Next one.
Two. Oh my god.
Finish it, yep.
Dude, you're gonna throw up on the goon, I swear to God. I swear to God, the goon is gonna make you
He's
choke.
almost finished it.
Fuck you.
Look at his face.
Speak quiet.
No, that is. Next. Oh, watch.
Oh, at least the last one's disgusting and beer.
Curse you.
Go, you nigga.
Are you putting this on YouTube?
Yep.
We will.
Shit.
You pizza. I wish you were wearing the hat because I'd swear my head off. So
Watch his face, guys. Watch his face.
Wait, he's still got beer after this.
Yeah, I know, but watch his face. He's drinking it so slow.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
That was not me. Sam hated it.
Next one.
Beer,
Go.
That wasn't even too bad.
Oh, you'll feel
The
it in a
beer will
minute.
be. Oh, yeah.
I'm like,
I told you to take the beer. Wow. That is like. I told you.
hurry up and fucking finish your
This is
drink.
what I compare to sucking a dick.
I told you to take the beer
You sucked a
first.
dick before Zach?
Yes, he sucked
well,
mine.
I imagine it to be like this. Can you please give me some guidance?
It doesn't taste like beer.
Oh.
Go.
Finish it.
Skull that shit.
Do it if
The
it tastes
wrong
like
there,
beer.
mate. You picked the wrong there.
Rhythm.
Ma, rhythm.
Yeah, what's your problem? Why did you choose to drink?
Red.
Go. It was only one.
Oh, fuck this shit. Come on, finish the last glass.
I'll tell you what that is.
I can't see.
I'm recording it.
Shut the
So
fuck
am
up.
I.
Well, you're a dipshit.
That's tandoori chicken. For anyone that wants to know.
Go.
Yeah,
That smells gross, Zach.
Yeah, I know. It's fucking
Just
tandoori
finish
chicken.
it.
Spicy shit.
Finish it.
Oh.
Just skull and throw up already.
Oh, really?
Go. Skull it. Open your throat. Fuck.
No, I want to see.
There is no opening of the throat.
Wait, Anna, I got it on recording.
Tastes so bad in my mouth. I need gum out of my
Dude, your
tongue.
headband looks like it's like
finish
vomit.
it. Here's vomit.
Why do you hate
Go,
me? I thought
go.
it was-
Finish it.
You could have picked the bear I did, which was fucking easy, Zach.
Yeah, swap your shirt for your pants and your pants for your shirt.
Actually, it looked like I was wearing a toga. Don't get in the way, Kristen.
He's already vomited.
I smell nothing.
I smell shit.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
He did it.
Can I have the key so I can go to my fucking car and get gum?